Hello, I'm Isuru M Soysa. So here is my VBA mini project presentation based on my 30 individual project. So first of all, let me give a brief introduction of my project. And my client was Mr. Nirosh Chaminda, and who was a combined maths teacher and teaching three major education institutes in Sri Lanka. And he conducting paper classes and both theory and revision, and he wanted to automate the current process of his paper class from me. And uh, my solution was examcards.com, and which was a online platform which connect teachers, students, and paper marking panel. So this is my 30 individual project. And for the mini project scope, I have selected four major processes that from the teacher's perspective, the manage classes, manage students, manage results, and the analysis part. So let's move on to the project demonstration. So first of all, here we have the login part. uh, when we click this login button, you will pop up a window for enter the admin credentials. So if the text boxes are empty and click login, it will be show invalid login, and the number of attempts is 1. Here I have restricted the number of attempts for 3 times. And if I give a invalid username and the correct password, it will be show invalid login. And if I give a wrong password, it also giving invalid login, and our number of attempts are 3. After that, click OK. My system was closed because the maximum number of attempts are 3. I have to click here for login again, and I will be enter the correct details 3, and after give the correct details, I can log into the system. So after clicking login, we can move on to the dashboard and main dashboard. It will be show some statistics and summary of past examinations results, and here we can see a results summary here table. And also it gives the number of student already I have the teacher have registered in his classes. It's 5 for now, and the average marks they got for the exam, and the best results for now is 78. So here we can see some options to manage our processes. First one is manage classes, manage students, manage results, and view analysis. So let's move on to the first process, manage classes. Here, after clicking that one, you will pop up this window. Here you can add a class from simply entering the data. So let's say 2023 3A level class. So you have to enter the institute and the monthly fee. So assume that you have not entered the description. Let's click it. You can't add because it will pop up error. Please enter the description. As like this, all the fields are validated. So say this is a demo class, and I can add from here. The list was updated. Also we can double click here and get the all the data for the fields, and we can clear them by clicking this. Also we can update the class detail. I will update like this, update, and simply click the update, and the class details were updated. Also we can delete a class Here you will be asked for a confirmation. If I select no, it will be remain same. If I selected the yes, and it will be deleted. Also, we can save the sheet from clicking this button. So this is how we can manage the class details. So let's move on to the next process. Here we have the manage students. Okay, now let's move on to the manage student process. Here you will be navigated to this window, and you can enter the student details and add them to the list. If I add empty inputs, and it will be asked for our inputs. Let's say our student name is stu5, mobile number and email stu at gmail.com. stu5. So I can select a class from my existing classes, and I can give the hometown author and click add to add the student. Then the list will be updated. Here we can clear the fields by clicking this, and we can double click them and update the detail, and just click here for update the student detail. You can see here you can updated the details. I want to show that when we go back, our number of students were updated for 6, and we have now 6 students already registered. So I go again, and here we can delete a student from just clicking this. Again ask for a confirmation. If you say no, it will be not deleted, and if say yes, it will be deleted successfully. And we can save our sheet here by clicking this. Right, okay, so let's move on to the next process, the manage results. So here we can add our results of the students and exams. So we can select existing students we have already, and let's say stu6, and here we can add exam name one, and the marks, let's say 98, a high mark, and add. The results are added successfully. So I want to so his rank was number 1, and also I want to show that here also it will be updated, the best figures updated to stu6 98 marks. So the average marks also updated, and this result summary also updated. And here we can update our details also. Just double click it, and say uh, let's say 32. So we can click update here, and results are updated successfully. When we go back, the results updated here also. And also we can delete a item also. Here just have to click here and delete them. The fields are also validated. Click empty inputs and button, it will be popping error. And here also we can save our worksheet, and yeah, so when we go back, we can see our view analysis part also. So when we click in this one, it will show a graph of our exam details. Here you can see our summary of exam details here from this graph. So for now I have done for this project, and thank you for watching.